everyone, welcome to EWM Coach channel. In this video, we are going to see the fixed win upload in SAP EWM system. So let me go to the next slide. So we are going to cover the below topics. So the first thing is what is a fixed win storage type that we are going to see. Then after that, we will upload the fixed win via template. Then we will manually create a fixed win master, and last is we will delete those fixed wins that we created manually or via uploading the fixed win template. Okay, assume this is our warehouse, and the area where we are keeping the stock is considered as standard storage type. So there are different kind of storage types. For example, rack, hazmat storage type, chemical storage type, bulk storage, out of which fixed bin storage type is one of them. And let me go to the next slide where we will see what is the fixed bin exactly, what is the use of a fixed bin inside the warehouse. Okay, these are the bins available under the fixed bin area, so fixed bin storage type. And in fixed bin, what we do is, let's say there is a product, there are certain products inside the warehouse which we are keeping in same exact location. For example, my product A should goes to bin 1 always, product B should goes to bin 2 location always. So even though you are having some space inside the warehouse, whenever you receive this product and at the time of put away, system will always propose these locations. It will not propose the empty locations because we are fixing this product for this location. Okay, so similarly fixed bin, we can keep multiple products in a single bin, so we can assign multiple products to the same location. So here you can see product E and product F is assigned to my location bin 7. Similarly, you can see product E also assigned to some other bin location. That combination is also possible. Okay, so whenever you will receive this product E, system will first check the capacity in this location. If it is filled, then system will propose to put away your product in this location. If this is filled, then system will propose to put away your product in this location along with the product F. Okay, so let me go to the SAP screen where I will explain all of these things. So as a prerequisite, we need to define the fixed storage type, fixed bin storage type in the system. So I have already created the fbin storage type. So let me just show you also that what setup I just did there. Under master data, define storage type. Let me provide my warehouse number, and FBIN is my storage type. So this is my fixed bin location. So here you can see I have flagged these two settings. One is use fixed bins. So if we are having a fixed bin storage type, then in that case we need to select this flag, and also you need to select don't assign fixed bin automatically. So if you are flagging this, then we will decide like which product should goes to which location, that we will decide in the template and we'll upload into the system. But if we don't want to do it manually, and if we untick this flag, then system will determine when the first put away will happen into that location. For example, if I click on the F1, so SAP also said the same thing. Indicate whether you want to assign a fixed storage bin to a product manually or have it assigned automatically during the put away. So if you don't flag this, then system will determine during the put away, if product A goes to bin 1 location, then system will consider okay, this product A should always goes to bin 1 location. Okay, so that is the concept behind this setup. Let me go to warehouse monitor first, where I will show how many storage bins I have created on that storage type. And let me show you if bin. Yeah, so I have created around 6 bins under this. So I have created by a same mass storage bin upload file template, and also you can create this in ls01 transaction. Okay, and let me also show you how many products are currently available within this warehouse. So there are 6 products are available. So for my testing in template, I'm going to pick this test 5 to 7, and we are going to use test 3 for manual creation. SAP is provided another T code, scwm slash scwm binmat, where we will manually create the fixed win assignment entries. Okay, so let me go to the template which we are using to upload this fixed win, and we will fill this related details there, and then we will upload. Okay, so let me go to the template. Yeah, so this is the template we are using. If you ask me, this is the same template that we used during the product master upload, but the catch is we are not filling all these values here. There are specific fields that we are updating, not every field. So for fixed win assignment, we are only updating these key areas like warehouse, the product number, and the party entitled to dispose is the mandatory one. And if I scroll to the right side, there will be two fields. One is your storage type and your storage bin, because you need to declare which product should belongs to which bin. So for this reason, these two fields are also mandatory, and there is few more entries which are relevant for fixed bin assignment, but these are not mandatory. But let me explain you this thing also. Yeah, so maximum quantity, minimum quantity, so these two things that we are using during the replenishment process. For example, if for a bin the maximum quantity is 15 and the minimum quantity is 5, if the stock goes below that minimum quantity 5, then system will automatically trigger a replenishment based on your replenishment setup. Or if you are triggering it manually, system will also trigger a replenishment warehouse task based on the maximum quantity. So it will fill that location for that product up to a maximum quantity. So if 15 is the maximum quantity, it will fill that location till 15 quantity, not exceed more than 15. Okay, so this is how the replenishment works. But yeah, these fields are not mandatory. Yeah, let me also highlight this thing for our knowledge purpose. Maximum quantity, then planned maximum display unit of measure, then minimum quantity, then display unit of measure. Okay, so I have filled this details already here, and we are checking with this product test 5 to 7, where my test 5 product I am assigning to the same bin location 2 and 3, two different locations. Okay, and let me also fill this value for one of these entries for our understanding purpose. Yeah, and this is also, let's say, 5 quantity maximum, and this is also EA. Okay, yeah, once I do this, let me just save this file. And we need to save this file using the .csv format, because SAP is only accepting the .csv format, and the file is just saved. Then the next activity is we are going to upload that file. But in which transaction? We are again using the same transaction mig underscore product that we used during the product master upload. Okay, so mig underscore product. Here we are providing the warehouse number, we are selecting upload to EWM, the same process, and we are particularly selecting fixed win assignment. Okay, and in field separator we are providing comma because we are dealing with comma separated values. And in product master file, so in this area we need to upload our file from our local folder. So I think this is the name of my file, product master upload template, and I'll click on open. Yeah, then we are clicking on execute button. So here you can see I was having 4 entries in that file, and system created 4 fixed win assignments. So let me go to where we can see this fixed win assignment after uploading in the system. So /o/scwm slash mat binmat is the transaction to see the fixed win assignments, and here I provided the warehouse number, and I'll just execute. So here you can see the fixed wins are created for the specific products. here you can see this is my product which is currently available in two different locations. Test 5 is available in this 3 location, and test 5 is also available in this location. And this quantity we updated there, that's why it is coming here. And here you can see this is the creation time just now. So this is how once we upload the values, it will just update here. And the combination is like if you want to put 5 different product in a same storage bin, that is also possible. But remember that during our testing, when I was doing that, we used to get the error message that it is not possible. But there are some SAP notes available. You need to check in the SAP for me website, and you need to implement those nodes in order to work these combinations, multiple products to a single location combination. Okay, so that you can check from your side while updating this, and if you are getting that error. And again, so let's say we are doing this fixed bin upload once during the before the go live, during our cutover phase. But let's say after 1 year they increase some fixed bins and they want to add some new bins and new fixed bin combination with the new product. So in that case, how they can do this? So in that case, I need to click on create option. Then I need to just copy one existing entry and I just need to uh, paste it here. So this is giving error because we are having two similar entries. So let me provide test 3 because we decided to go through test 3. Yep. So this is error, just warning, and I'll just save this. So you can see system just created this entries here. So this is how we can add a new entry in this screen. For a single or multiple entries also we can go create multiple lines and do this. Yeah, the one more thing is when we are assigning any product to that bin. So if I again show you the storage bins, there is an indicator coming. Yeah, so let me go to the right side. So here you can see we used 1, 2, 3 bins, and you can see the fixed bin storage type is having this indicator as 1. So what is 1? 1 is fixed storage bin for product, and uh, this is coming after we assign that product to this particular bins. So by looking at this also you can identify, okay, this is a fixed bin. Also if I go inside that indicator, we can able to see it here. This is something which I did not maintain during the bin creation. This is happened just now because we assigned to the specific product into this particular bin. Yeah. Hey guys, that's all for today. I think I have covered everything in this video, and in my next video I will try to bring the initial stock upload, and for that we are going to use a separate transaction and separate template. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know your queries through comment section, and kindly provide your feedback through comment as well. And bye.